Hi guys, I'm Rasmus from Slikhaar TV, and today I'm going to show you how to get super nice curls fast. So let's get to it. We have 2 combs, 1 pre-styling spray, 1 bottle of water and some hairspray. First I'm going to apply some water to soak up my hair so we can get some nice curls going on. I'm going to make small packages. Yes, just enough water so we can make some pots. Let's see. So this is the top section that we are gonna focus on. This is the best way to do it because rubber bands will take too much time. So the most important thing is that you have both rubber bands or some clips, which I'm using at the moment. And we're gonna do this fast. Now I just need to apply some more water to get my hair into the new position. I'm gonna style it a little bit forward. So I just put a little bit of water into the back and into the sides using my brush. Now it's time to apply the styling serum, which is SIDEKICK. It's gonna freeze these curls really hard into position. So let's apply some. Also, I'm gonna hit the other parts of the hair so it will not move out throughout the drying process. For the curly parts here, I'm gonna give it maybe 10 pumps to get it going. Let it soak in. Ooh, that one moved. I'm actually gonna take them out in maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, and before shaking it up, I'm gonna apply some hairspray to really get the maximum out of the curly texture. So hang on. Now we waited for 2 hours, and it's a long while to wait. If you don't have the time, you can find a blow dryer and hold it with distance. You can see this one is not blow dried. It's dried naturally, so there's some spikes going on here. I'm gonna shake it up later, but first let's remove the pins. Just remove it once at a time. The good thing about the metal clips instead of using the rubber bands is that if you choose to blow dry, then the steel will absorb the heat and distribute it better into the hair. And opposite, the rubber band will keep out the heat and make it more difficult. Plus it's also harder to remove rubber bands compared to these clips. I think you can get these metal ones in every beauty store near you. Now to the hairspray, and what we do here, we try to seal the deal, meaning that we're gonna have the hairspray harden up while it's still in a curly position. It's important that we don't spray too much because else it will get cracked up. Okay, finally it's time to shake it up and see what's happening. And this is first time I'm doing this type of tutorial, so I'm excited to see the result. definitely get the look. See here, you need to really break up the swirls because it almost feels like small knots while they are all right down to the roots. But loosen it up, finger comb. I still need to do a little bit of finger combing, I can feel it. Anyway, we have the nice texture going on, and to make it even better, we need to work in some products and make the final look. Okay, so in this case, wrecking ball, it's a light clay. There's a little bit more of a playtime here, so that's what I'm going for. Let's do some texturizing. And you just rub it in with a flat hand, just rubbing it on the top here. And now the curls is coming forward. Okay guys, I hope you liked this short tutorial on how to get curls fast. And again, you can get the products on slikhaarshop.com. Remember, as always, to write in the comment section down below what you think about this hairstyle, and also give the video a like and be a subscriber, and you can be a part of the giveaway where you can win free by Vilain hair products. Alright, see you guys next time.